Hi, it's Michael Hayes with the Keleher team here at 329 3rd Street. What's the best way to introduce this home? Well, you take a red brick Victorian and you put it 3 blocks from Georgian Bay. Then you gut reno the inside, adding all the modern amenities and mechanicals that you need. And then you get some fantastic professional advice on how to decorate and furnish it. And this is what you get. Let's take a look at what this property has to offer, situated as it is perfectly in Collingwood, Ontario. Oh, you're finished the tour. While you've been touring the house, I've been debating whether this is a red brick Victorian or a red brick Georgian. I don't think it matters that much. I'm going to call it a red brick century home. Either way, I think it blends the old with the new in a fantastic way. Why don't you give us a call for your private showing? Thanks.